Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to do a golf swing easy method. Start by setting a balanced stance with feet shoulder width and knees slightly flexed for stability and comfort. Use a light grip in the fingers and allow a natural wrist hinge so you avoid tension. Rotate from the hips on your backswing while keeping your head steady, then shift weight through impact and finish with a high, balanced follow-through. In your setup, focus on comfort and repeatability so you can practice reliably. Place the club in your fingers, align the club face to the target, and adopt a shoulder-width stance with knees softly bent. Position the ball according to club length and keep a neutral spine for balance. Practice a gentle half swing to check weight shift and rotation, adjusting until you achieve smooth motion and solid contact. In the swing plane, keep your motion connected and rhythmical for consistent strikes. Start the backswing by turning the shoulders and letting the arms follow while maintaining width and a slight wrist hinge. On the transition, feel the hips begin the downswing and allow the upper body to follow, preserving lag until just before impact. Commit to a full, balanced finish with the chest facing the target and a steady pose for reliable distance and direction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.